Yeah, this that getting money music. If you getting money, hold your bankroll up, get jiggy to it. Pop up back the cut and hit that Draco to that fucker clip. Bitch, it turn me off, it turn me on, I hear my cutter split. I been on some other shit, drop back. I heard art hoes like the drop that. Lil' hoe on some art shit, I'ma get that thot pop. Real niggas got undercover pressure, but ain't saying nothing. So the tweet, he see so crazy, shoot it to his head on. I done turn my man up. If you wanna see the 100,000, niggas stand up.
Who you got over here in the stain, man? God damn,
this is the mop, bro. This is the premium. I just got the wrapping paper from Christmas.
Okay.
Fell off. I gotta put the lights on next week.
Shit, bitch, your cooler, you know that? Huh? This shit is cooler. Look, the drains and shit.
It's a cooler?
Yeah, you put some ice in there and it's a
What the? This nigga got a cooler in the car. Huh? This be tough.
All-wheel drive.
Hold on. All-wheel drive. That's him over there singing, y'all.
Hey, this is the brand, bro. We call Anonymous, bro. We didn't say Above Studios. Come check us out. We in Oldsmar. We right up there. We right up here. We 10 minutes up here.
Tap in with you.
Hell yeah.
I hear that boy in the back.
Studios, MD Money Sign, E, you already know what the fuck going on.
For real, man, y'all heard him, bro. I ain't gonna count though, I ain't think there's a lot of niggas that can sing, but this nigga can motherfucking sing, man.
I made that bitch off of mushrooms, that ass. No, not that one, another song I did off of mushrooms.
This one?
Which one?
Nah, don't play that one. It's just a beat.
That bitch sound like some Michael Jackson shit.
That is, it was. I remixed. Oh, fuck it, play it.
Go ahead, fuck it. We ain't got shit else to do right now. Damn, I like the beat though. I ain't gonna count this bitch right. This bitch 4-wheel drive. It's all-wheel drive.
I think it was back in December. Damn. I had to get down in the winter. I said that it was cold, baby. Get inside you. Damn. Okay. It was cold. Let me hold you. I'm high as hell, tripping off of fucking mushrooms, psilocybin. Hey, yeah, you know I'm vibing, and I'm straight wildin'. Hey, you know I've been up the mile. Can you get my 2 cents? Got the nigga off for his 2 cents. Yeah, hey, damn fiendin'. Got a bitch fiendin', dripping like some demon. Marcus, hey, bitch, park it on me. Ain't no stopping me, I'm rolling on it. Nigga, rolling on the beat. Every money sign E, nigga knows me. Hey,
You say I'm not a free. Bitch, you cannot get shit for the free. Huh. When you pull up on me. Oh shit, I tell that hoe we finna see. I'ma pass it to the dippy. And my dog over here, he rap the ski. Damn. He'll fucking around and get a ski. Bitch, you better not fuck around and play with me.
Okay, you know he on the road.
Damn.
Okay, I'm out the way, I'm chasing gold.
Okay.
That bitch he trippin', yeah she bold.
Okay.
That nigga trippin', yeah he old.
Damn.
I'm out the way, I'm out the way. I'm out the way, I'm out of space. I got your bitch, you out the way, she like an ace. 1-on-1, but you know I need my space.
I'm out the way, I'm home. I'm out the way, I'm in my home, I'm getting gone.
Okay.
I'm out the way, I'm in my home, getting gone.
Okay, home.
Move wrong, might end up with the chrome.
What you doing?
Move wrong, you might end up with the chrome.
With the chrome.
Send the motherfucker home. Crying to his mama, bitch up on the phone. Crying to her mama, said, I don't know where we're wrong. Stop running the words, don't give a fuck. Shit, bitch, I pull up in the cut like a Band-Aid. Got a white bitch, thick as fuck, just like some Band-Aid. What I think so. Yeah, down with the Draco. Don't know where I'm going, but is this 580? Bitch, I keep it flowing. Then I'm running on riding through the traffic. In and out of traffic, by the week, they make it happen. Niggas asthmatic, bitch, I'm sick, real ill. Fuck with how you feel, you can call Dr. Phil. Pop another pill, good shit here get for real. This shit real easy, bitch, wanna squeeze me. Lemonade, hey. Lemonade, but shit ain't sweet, bitch. Hey, getting smoking lemonade. Cause you know I keep it G, bitch. Hey.
Okay. This be tough as fuck. You snap, bitch. And do you remember?
I'm high as shit.
Do you remember 0 September, bitch? Back in November.
250 and I'm fucking high, bro.
High as fuck. You didn't even get to the meat yet.
I feel good.
Oh yeah. Like what you got? Oh bro, I need that.
Yeah. A lot of them.
Let me get one. I need to put a lot of shit on my car.
Yeah. This
finna be the fun car,
bro. Hey, these are golden tickets, bro. Cause I'm handing out 100 of these. Cause we starting a new community. We're gonna have shows. We're gonna be doing different car meets. We're gonna have food venues.
You gotta give me an Instagram.
Yeah, and people like that. So the people that have these are gonna get basically VIP. You guys are first ones in because you're the first supporters and shit.
I'm gonna take a picture of this bitch.
But you you're gonna be able to like meet a lot of rappers and shit like that.
What if I don't pull up using this car?
He got multiple cars.
For real. We pull up in the truck. We done got certified anonymous, my nigga. We certified. Hey, listen, he said it. He said it. So anytime I go to his event, I'm gonna pull up this motherfucking clip.
Damn, Mike coming.
Come show out on their ass, man. Come show out on their ass.
That's crazy.
You know what I'm saying? This how we sliding all 2025, man. You know, my dog over here, he done dropped the 100 racks on this bitch today, bro. We got a whole new engine, bro. Like, y'all don't even understand. Like, I gotta make sure I put my fingerprints on this bitch.
You get that bitch off Marketplace?
No, I don't know. The dude I used to work with.
This bitch here.
The dude I got it from
Like,
a Hellcat.
Come here real quick. Like, look at the damn sparkles in this bitch. This bitch green, purple, black.
About the rim separate.
And he blacked the rounds out.
They were from a Hellcat.
1800 for some damn rounds. People, you say people ain't finna be pussy today because this is a private meet. So we finna see, man. I'm here, Charlotte, and we get into some motherfucking action. We out. These niggas Sherman as fuck. Tell they have these Sherman
blow again.
Look at this shit. Oh, bro, they ain't got no more. You can't even see shit. Oh, bro, y'all niggas Sherman as fuck. Yeah. Wait till I walk off, man.
Bro, you need to get the fuck out of my business, nigga. Hey, man. That's what you need to do.
I had to switch the battery for this bitch. Damn, I just told y'all that.
Damn!
I'm trying to tell you, when you look at the engine, it's way better like this.
Mm-hmm.
It's way better in the car.
Won't let turn up.
We can put an infinity in the middle and do pops while you spin around. It's gotta cool down.
Man, you
want me to? Yeah, in a little bit.
You heard, fam, man. You got all the tires and shit, man.
Look at my steers, though. Yeah, you're tired.
Hey, bro, you good, bro?
That ain't shit, bro.
Man, my dog snapped, man. That's all that fucking matters.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Bro, that be 30. God damn, what you spinning, fam?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I don't got nothing to say, fam.
Man, you better not spin that shit. I'm gonna be mad as fuck. Bro, not spin that shit. How long you been spinning for, fam?
Well, shit, since I was like, what, 12 years old?
Damn, bitch. Before I could drive, motherfucker. Oh, bro.
Okay.
Oh, bro, that nigga pulled up in this bitch throwing that motherfucker.
Throwing that motherfucker. Like
I was scared, bitch. I thought that was police.
Something like, oh, okay.
I wish I was one nigga. Damn, I wish my daddy was doing this shit. For real. That boy ride around in the lap. Y'all see the lap, man. You know. Everybody out there. I can't show you what I put up there. They'll be like, bitch, you need to go back in time. He go away?
Knee knocker, bro. I did it anyway.
What the hell is a knee knocker? The thing you're doing right there?
Yeah.
Shit, you still you can catwalk that bitch. That's all that matter. Bitch, let me do a damn catwalk. Bitch, I'm gonna be in the road. Bro.
Big ass charger in my pocket. God damn. Nope.
Nigga got that umbilical cord in his shit. Yeah. He said he ain't dying. Man, I love this shit. Who?
His Mustang spitting gas out the exhaust. Oh, it's straight now?
Yeah, he knows.
Oh, all right.
That bitch spitting gas?
He said
make sure I back up from that bitch then. I don't wanna get wet. Be flammable, bitch.
Yeah.
They gonna fuck around and have somebody on fire out this bitch today. Look at these niggas pulling up.
So y'all want to see a magic shape?
The whole fucking for real, that shit happen? Oh hell no,
You got enough gas? Have you not
You saw that gas spit out?
Look at this shit, y'all.
This is downtown Tampa.
On the gas.
That boy got the end fan.
Go to the
End fan. I'm about to say this bitch ain't got photo like mine.
I was just gonna say, let me hang out the window. It's not
Go far. Y'all live
okay. Who we got in the driver, man?
Hey, hold on, bitch. I ran right up on the damn fire. That
That feel nice and toasty.
Oh, bro, bitch.
I had fun, man. It's cold. My eyes are watering, dude. We was just in that fucking chally, bro.
Woo!
She hot.
Yo, shit. It's the cleanest engine I've seen.
She a little warm.
A little toast. Hold on, bitch. Warm the guys up, bitch. But see, I'm not trying to crash into your ass. For real.
I was flying that bitch.
Oh, bro.
Are they done now?
Hell no. I think they probably is. But this shit so raw, y'all, like. Fuck. Hell yeah. That's the only reason I got out this bitch, because of this nigga. He dropped a little from my, oh yeah. Motherfucking decal shoot the damn planes. Surprised my leg hairs ain't gone. I ain't know you was finna be out here this fucking long.
Damn.
I've been since I found.
Calling for tandem Z's.
What a tandem Z's?
Calling for tandem Z's.
He wants a tandem. Red boy wants a tandem with you. What the fuck is a tandem? What the fuck is a tandem? What the fuck is a tandem?
Tandem like they go at the same time.
Oh shit,
yeah.
They're trying to make a set circle.
Hey, but don't go in the middle though.
Oh hell no! I got a camera, but I can't move. I'm looking at the screen. Oh bro. Well, you know, Challenger Man 3000. That's what I'm gonna call you at. Challenger Man. I better not die, bitch, on God. I'm suing. shit stay on one spot. He trying to chase my ass, man. Damn.
What that feed, bro? Hey, that bitch so hard, bro.
Watch out on, bitch. Good.
Oh, you hit someone?
Whacked his ass. He almost whacked his ass, bitch. How long you been doing this shit, fam?
I just started like a month ago.
A month ago throwing this bitch like that? Got this bitch twerking, boy, damn. Okay, huh? See, if y'all wanna know, bitch, you don't gotta take that long. If you ride driving. So look, y'all, they finna fucking go town now. Because that mean go 2 times at once. It's so damn cold, I feel like my lips chopping as fuck. Let me put my damn hoodie on.
Bunny?
Yeah, man, you finna sit these bitches talking about though. Ryan! I need you to record my phone. So I can get an inside view too.
Sideways?
Yeah, appreciate you. Hey, bitch. I can't even see shit over here, bitch. Y'all probably can't even see me. Hold on. Can they see me, my nigga?
Hell yeah, barely.
Hold on, give me right for the thumbnail. God damn!
Bro, his shit is so fire, bro.
Hey, your shit fire too now. You can't forget about your shit
Nah,
now.
look at his shit though.
Yeah, he done customized this shit. You know, made that bit colorful.
I can't really tell. It's probably shitty ass video.
That's good. I just need what the driver look like for real. Hardy with a chance of meatballs. I appreciate y'all for dropping the low, bitch. Damn. Hey, if it wasn't for Ryan, bitch, I would not be here.
Yes, sir. You know I put you on. Next
For
week
real.
I got you too.
Oh yeah, we lit. Bitch, Ryan gonna have me everywhere, man. I'm telling you. Challenger 3000.
Brand new tires.
Alright, bet.
Like you go, then you go.
It's the real cameraman over here.
he hitting rim?
No, he's sparking, I think.
Hitting rim or wire?
Them bitches on thread. Them bitches on thread, family. That boy still got the plastic on the seat.
Yeah, bro.
Damn, got the whole.
Got no gas on the way back.
Yeah, that boy tank finna be on E. That boy done shot a whole gallon of gas out, bitch.
I lost a quarter tank.
Yo, bro.
That's right, I just had a full tank a minute ago.
Oh yeah. Hey, that boy got coolant on standby. Water Wars?
Yeah. Yeah.
This weekend?
Next weekend. Next weekend. Sunday.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we lit, bitch. You hear that? You don't get my damn camera wet. That shit look like. I feel like I seen this shit before somewhere.
Probably have, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, I see your ass got fresh off work to get to this bit.
Man, you already know.
See, that's the fucking dedication I like to see. That was my dog like that. Yeah, man, we got this bitch, bro. We got CTSV in the cut. CTSV, tell my vlog we out, man. We gone, bitch. You know what I'm saying? We out, bro. Fuck with y'all in the next vid.